In this episode, we'll be going over 2 prayer exercises that you can use which will inspire you to write more thoughtful and impactful prayers in your journal. Welcome to The Current Christian, where we give disciples the tools and tips they need to grow their ministry. If you've been looking for a channel that can help you grow spiritually, mature relationally, or help you enhance your skills as a leader, then you've come to the right place. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. So, to jump in, we have our first exercise, which is prayerful brainstorming. This is a great exercise to use during times when you feel like you need to make a tough or very important decision. We often get into a rut when it comes to making decisions. Naturally, we'll lean towards picking between option A or B, yet we rarely take the time to pray and ask God to expand our perspective to see what option C, D, or Z might be like. This exercise is aimed to help you be more receptive to hearing the other options that God may be trying to tell you. This exercise is comprised of 7 steps, and I have it all listed in the video description so you can use it for reference. The first thing you'll need to do is 1. Write out the problem that you must make a decision for. 2. Write the problem as though you are explaining the whole thing to God. 3. Take a moment to ask God to highlight what the real problem is. What is it that you are truly concerned or frightened about? Step 4. Study 1 Corinthians chapter 13 and write out how God may be trying to grow you in love. Step 5, study James chapter 2, verse 14 to 26, and write out how God may be trying to grow your faith. Now list out every single option or choice that has you grow either in love and or in faith. Don't limit yourself to just the reasonable choices either. 7. Without forcing it too much, select one of the workable solutions that you had not previously thought of and write it out as though presenting it to God. This is a lengthy process, but you will receive a lot of wisdom by the end of it. You can always go back to the verses from 1 Corinthians chapter 13 or James 2 for inspiration. Our second exercise is not as lengthy, which is praying with gratitude. This exercise is simply a great way to express thanks and gratitude to God. The first thing you'll do is 1. Devote a blank page to be your graffiti page. 2. On this page, randomly write out all the gifts God has given you. Allow one gift after another to come to mind as you jot them down. They can be material gifts, spiritual gifts, relational gifts, or any good thing that God has given you. 3. Focus on one gift you are most grateful for in this exact moment. 4. Write that gift on a new page. And 5. Begin writing out your praise and thankfulness to God. And if you want to read a psalm that is full of praising God, Psalm 145 is one that I highly recommend. I hope that these 2 exercises have helped give you ideas for how to journal more. Feel free to check out the description for the steps and Bible verses used in this video. Also, I want to know, what is one thing you are grateful for today? Comment below and let's get a discussion going. For me, I am grateful I got to make this video for you all. Thank you for watching. I'd also like to thank our community of supporters over on Patreon. This video would not be made possible without you, and if you really like this video, you too can join our crew of Patreon supporters by donating a few dollars a month to the Current Christian channel. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon if you haven't done so already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.